back in the shop at KMR. He's somewhere over there looking for things. We're continuing this lapping. This is what we're doing. We are lapping. Going to check in about 5 minutes to see what the surface looks like. Basically, lapping is machining the front surface of the rotor irons to give it a smooth, consistent transition. So we're going to be checking that in about 5 minutes, and I'll let you guys know what it looks like. This is such a lengthy process, but we're still here, we're still lapping, getting everything squared away with the part of the motor that's going to be built. Because this is what we do. We do things, right, Kyle? He's somewhere back there. Let's see if we can spot. There he is. There he is. We spotted the Mohan. This is what we do down here at KMR. Building and creating horsepower. All in a day's work. Welcome back to the channel. So what we're doing today is we are continuing the lapping on the 1988 RX-7 FC engine build. So where we left off was we were lapping, which is what we're doing, still doing here, but we're just doing 2 so far, and the third one is almost done. So let me show you you've got already seen what it looked like before. Let me show you what it's looking like right now. Flip that, and there you have it. Look how clean, smooth, how cut that is. So now the hard part is cleaning everything up, getting all of the compound out, which is a pain in the neck, but so worth it. So what I'll do right now is finish cleaning that up and then show you guys the finished product. Welcome back. So I'm here at KMR, and what we're doing in the engine kitchen. This is what we call the engine kitchen. Check it out. All the engine parts, everything that we might need, organized, some suspension stuff. But over here, we have the iron over here in the Sonic tank. Just giving it a good clean before I go and do a thorough cleaning. So what we do is, after the lapping table, we'll come and we'll put it in the Sonic tank to kind of break up some of that stuff, clean it. We'll leave it in there for about 18-20 minutes. And then once that's done, we'll throw it in the actual solvent tank and then do a thorough cleaning of it. Once that's done, we'll rinse it, we polish it while it's being cleaned, polish the surface. So we get into it. Just wanted to give you guys an update, but this is what we're doing: cleaning it up, getting everything done, cooking up some horsepower in the engine kitchen. Ha ha!